Welcome to the install video for the brake adjustment inner indicator number 1001. First, chock the vehicle wheels. Second, release the brakes. Third, we're going to back off on the brakes, pulling the rod outward. Pulling it outward till it stops. It's tight. Now we want to back off just a bit to release the tension. Next, we're going to clean the rod. Emery cloth, sandpaper. It needs to be nice and clean. Next, we're going to prepare the indicator. Indicator is one solid piece at this time. We're going to change that. We're going to cut down to open up. Sometimes you may need this extra little cut, which is a V-cut. It helps with the initial install. Okay. Next, we want a little silicone on and around the shaft, keeping the moisture out of the bottom of the indicator, also helping to keep it in place. We're now going to open up the indicator and send it into the can. Make sure it goes into the can before you snap it in place. It is now ready to be snapped in place. Indicator is now installed.